I'm going to do a pink and purple eyeball today because my shirt is pink and purple. So, you know, I want to make it match. This bodysuit I got from Boohoo, like Boohoo online or whatever on Instagram. And everything I got there, like, doesn't really fit that well. Like, I don't know. Everything is just a little off. Their sizes are like 4, 6, 8, shit like that. So I got 4 because I assumed it would be the smallest, but like, it's still a little big. But whatever. Just a heads up if you want to buy from them. Okay, so for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use the RC Cosmetics 120 color palette. This is from Amazon, pretty sure, like, there's a bunch of different ones on there, and they all have different names. I don't know if they're all RC Cosmetics, but there's a bunch of, like, 120 color palettes, and they just have, you know, a bunch of colors like this. So, that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to start with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC25. And then I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid, like this is gonna be my eyeshadow primer. So just gonna and then I'm just gonna use my fingers and blend it in. Okay, so concealer is on and patted in. Where are my eyeshadow brushes? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start with like this purple right here. Can you see it? One of these, I don't know. This one, we're gonna do this one. And then I'm just gonna start putting it on my crease. Okay, now that the lighter purple is on, I'm gonna go in with this like darkest purple on the palette, which is this one. And then also put it like on the crease. Okay, and then right here I'm just gonna rub it with my finger to try to make that kind of fade out a little bit better, because I kind of put too much. So yeah, just trying to fix that. Okay, cool. Now that the dark purple is on, I'm gonna go back to my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in this little brush, and then start carving out my cut crease. You know what I'm going to do actually is I have setting powder in here, which is, where is it? It's this RCMA setting powder. I got it off of beautylish.com, and it's just like a clear, like no pigment setting powder. And I'm just gonna pat this in here. Okay. Now I'm gonna get all the other eyeshadow out of it first. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this like flat brush, and we're gonna go in with this hot ass pink. And I'm gonna put that where the concealer is. Okay, I kind of like the way that looks. I kind of just like put it right here on the corner and then like pat it on the cut crease area, like up here. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that. If I can get this side to look the same, then I'm gonna leave it this way because I like that. Let's see what I can do. Okay. This is looking okay to me. I like it. So, this pink underneath, where should I put it? I'm gonna do pink underneath now. And I think I'm gonna put it like right here. Okay, now I'm gonna take the darkest purple and put it in the crease with the same pink brush, so there might be some pink in there too. So, looks cool to me. Now I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes. Okay, mascara using Telescopic by L'Oreal. I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but I think mascara is like kind of irrelevant. Doesn't matter what kind you use. Alright, while I'm waiting for my mascara to dry, because my life is never easy and it's all over my eyelid, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I just got my eyebrows done yesterday. I got them threaded. I like it way better than waxing. I just think it like looks better, but it hurts really bad. Okay, and for my eyebrows, as always, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Dip Pot with a MAC angle brush. Okay, eyebrows are done. I keep those pretty easy. I just like follow my shape. That's about it. And then I'm gonna try to wipe off this extra mascara and try to not ruin my... Okay, already impossible. Fuck. It's not coming off. You guys, I hate this. I hate it. And people commented on my last video and told me to use one of these. This hurts. Like, what? Alright, whatever. That's good enough. Okay. And my freaking handy dandy trusty sidekick. Orison fake lashes from Amazon. Type in fake make. I don't know exactly which ones I get. I don't know. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. Now to finish off my look, I'm going to finish doing like my powder foundation on my face because I only did my liquid just in case I had like fallout. I wanted to be able to fix it. So I'm using MAC Studio Fix's pressed powder. This is like NC42, and I'm just patting it under my eyes and like on my face and shit. Then Anastasia Beverly Hills light to medium contour. I use the two outside colors and go like put it here. And a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm gonna highlight with Anastasia's Sugar Glow, and I'm gonna use, what am I gonna use? Marshmallow, the white. And then this is Anastasia's A23 highlight brush. I'm just gonna put that shit right there. And then just a little eyeshadow brush for the highlight on my nose. That's my favorite place. And then just gonna pat some in right underneath my eyebrow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my blending brush and blend that in a little bit so it doesn't look like I just did like a fat line of coke and have it all over my nose. Okay, alright, and then to finish everything off, I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Lavender. And yeah, there you have it. Pretty cool, I think. Quick and easy, just like a different look. Give you a different idea of something that you can do. I don't know. But yeah, like, subscribe, keep watching, because I'm going to keep posting as much as I can. And yeah, I don't know why that's my ending on my videos. I really don't know. But yeah, okay, bye.